Hi. Welcome back all. Today we will learn about function keys that make our work easier in AutoCAD. AutoCAD provides a lot of shortcuts and hotkeys that the user can easily play with their work. Hotkey is nothing but a key or a combination of keys providing quick access to a particular function within a computer program. These keys provide quick access to frequently used commands that can increase your productivity. First, let's find out about toggles and screen management keys. Basically, we have function keys and control keys, combined with the control key, as toggles and screen management keys in AutoCAD. You can find a descriptive PDF file on the Autodesk official webpage. I'll add the direct link for the PDF file in the description so that you can download and find out more about AutoCAD shortcuts and hotkeys. You can see that it is a nice organized document that can easily understand by anyone. I'll download this for my future reference. Right. Let's start with the function keys. Today, we will only learn the function keys which are applicable in 2D drafting in this tutorial. The first function key is F1. It will open the help window. Let's find out what that means. If you press the F1 key, you will get this kind of window. This is the help window. You must log into your Autodesk account first. Then, if you enter any keyword here, Autodesk will give you many results that can help you with your issue. This is a very useful tool as we don't want to search in Google for your issues. The next key is the F2 key. The command window will open with this function key. Let's try it. Here, we can see the command history. Let's try a command and see if it will appear in the command window later. See? It is there. If you press the next F3 key, you will turn on the object snapping mode. What is this object snapping? Well, let's find out. Let's draw a line. And now we draw another line to connect with the previous line. You can see that we are getting some points to connect with the previous line like this. We can see some points on the line, endpoints, and midpoint on the line. Let's turn off the object snap and try it again. As we can see, there are no such points as we saw earlier. Snapping points can be changed in the settings. We will learn that later. Okay. Let's look at our next function key. These F4, F5, and F6 keys are not for 2D drafting, and we will not discuss it here. Let's jump into the F7 key. It is for grid mode. In this workplane, these horizontal and vertical lines are forming the grid. Line distances can be changed in the properties. We will discuss it later. We can on and off this grid using the F7 key. Observe what happens. The next key is F8. It is for ortho mode. What is ortho mode? Well, let's find out. I'm drawing a line here. I can draw this line from any angle. Let's see what happens when I turn on the ortho mode. I can only draw the line in 90-degree angle intervals. Well, that's about the ortho mode. Next, we have the F9 key. F9 is for toggle snap mode. This is different from object snap mode, which is F3. Object snap mode will only snap on objects. Let's see what happens here. I will draw a line. Look carefully on the line. As you can see, I can start from anywhere and freely draw any distance. Now, let's turn on the snap mode using F9 and try again the same. Can you see that I cannot start anywhere? I must start from a grid point. It automatically snaps onto the nearest grid point. And I can only draw in 0.5 intervals in distance. I can change the length intervals from here. Follow my steps and observe. Also, as you can see, I cannot draw from any angle. It will automatically snap onto the nearest grid point. Our last 2D drafting function key is F10, and it is for polar mode. I am drawing a line here. Then, I will turn on the object snap mode and draw another line this. Can you see that I'm getting a green dash line reference in every 90-degree interval? Even though the polar mode is on or off, you will get this reference. Now, let's turn on the polar mode and try another line. The polar mode default setting is to show the angle in 90-degree intervals. But you can change it here. Let's see what happens. You can see some intervals given here. I will change this to 30-degree intervals. Let's try again. As you can see, it will show a reference in every 30-degree interval. Alright. That's all about function keys. Let's summarize what we learned today. F1 is to open the help window. F2 is to open the command window. F3 is to toggle object snap mode. F7 is to toggle grid mode. F8 is to toggle ortho mode. F9 is to toggle snap mode. Finally, F10 is to toggle polar mode. Please comment on any issue below in the comment section. That's all for today. See you in the next tutorial. Thank you.